Hi guys, this is Neha and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will be doing 10 best back exercises. There is no equipment required and this is also beginner friendly. So if you're ready, let's get started. 10 exercises, 45-second each with 15-second rest in between. First exercise is windmill.
3, 2, 1, exercise.
Stand with feet wider than shoulder, toes slightly out. Raise one arm up and another down. Look at your top hand, hinge at hips and lower your bottom hand towards the opposite foot. Keep legs straight, core tight and back flat. Return to start and repeat on the both sides. Keep your core engaged throughout the workout. Do not collapse forward. Move slow and controlled. Keep your shoulders stacked, one directly over the other. Rest for 15 seconds. Second exercise is bird dog stretch.
Three, two, one, exercise.
Start on all fours, hands under shoulder, knees under hips. Extend one arm forward and opposite leg back. Keep your core tight, back flat. Hold for a second, then return and switch sides. This workout improves balance and stability while working on your lower back. Now rest for 15 seconds. Next exercise is rainbow.
Three, two, one, exercise.
Start on all fours, extend one leg straight back. Lift the leg up, move it in an arc over the side. Touch the floor lightly. Lift again and move it back across the other side, like drawing a rainbow. Keep core tight and repeat. Switch side after 22 seconds. 3, 2, 1, switch side. Rest for 15 seconds. Next exercise is back lift.
Three, two, one, exercise.
Lie face down with hands by your side or behind your head. Keep legs straight and core tight. Lift your chest off the floor, squeezing your back muscles. Lower down slowly and repeat. Engage your core and glutes for stability. Make sure you are lifting using your back muscles and not your arms. This is an excellent workout for back and spine. It also helps reduce the back pain risk. Rest for 15 seconds. Fifth exercise is Superman.
Three, two, one, exercise.
Lie face down with arms extended forward. Lift your arms, chest and legs off the floor all together. Hold for a second, squeezing your back and glutes. Lower down slowly and repeat. Avoid overarching your back, lift smoothly and control the move. This is an awesome exercise, not just working on your back but also working on your glutes and core. I know this is harder than it looks, but only 10 seconds left. I know you can do it. Now rest. Next exercise is Aquaman.
3,
Lie face down with arms and legs extended. Lift your right arm and left leg together, then lower. Switch sides, lifting left arm and right leg. Keep core tight and alternate smoothly. Keep your neck neutral with eyes down. Engage your core and glutes throughout the workout. This move works on your lower back while strengthening your core. It also improves balance and coordination while enhancing the spinal stability. Only 5 seconds left. Now rest for 15 seconds. Next exercise is back squeeze.
3, 2, 1, exercise.
Lie face down with arms slightly out to the side. Lift your chest off the floor while squeezing your shoulder blades together. Keep your neck neutral and core engaged. Hold for a few seconds, then slowly lower down and repeat. Focus on squeezing your shoulder blades and not lifting too high. Move slowly and with control. This move strengthens your upper and mid back muscles while reducing back and neck tension. I know guys, this is harder than it looks, but I'm here suffering together with you. Don't give up until 45 seconds is over. Rest for 15 seconds. 8th exercise is wing fly.
3, 2, 1, exercise.
Lie face down with arms stretched to the side. Lift your chest slightly and raise your arms off the floor. Squeeze your shoulder blades together and then lower down. Keep your core tight and repeat. Keep your neck neutral, eyes down. Engage your core and glutes. Move slowly and with control. This move strengthens your upper back and shoulders. It also helps counteract effects of long sitting hours. Just few seconds left. Don't give up until 45 seconds is over. You know you are stronger than you think. Rest for 15 seconds. Next exercise is Superman hold.
3, 2, 1, exercise.
Lie face down with arms and legs extended. Lift your arms, chest and legs off the floor. Hold the position for 45 seconds, squeezing your back and glutes. Breathe steadily and then lower down. Keep your neck neutral, eyes down. Engage your core and glutes to support your spine. Don't over-arc your back, lift smoothly. Hold steadily and breathe evenly. This move strengthens your lower back, glutes and core, helps improve your posture and enhance back stability and balance. It also prevents lower back pains. Rest for 15 seconds. Last exercise is cat and cow stretch.
3, 2, 1, exercise.
Start on all fours, hands under shoulder, knees under hips. Inhale, arc your back and lift your head in a cow position. Exhale, round your spine and tuck your chin in a cat position. Move slowly with your breath and repeat. It might look simple, but this flow is pure magic for your spine. It melts away stiffness, boosts flexibility and instantly relax your mind. Keep your core engaged, move slow and let your breath guide you throughout the stretch. This is our last exercise, so don't give up. I know you can do it. Great job, guys. If your back muscles are soaring like mine, it means you have given your all. Now don't forget to stretch it out. If this 10 minutes blast got your body fired up, hit that like, save this video and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.